Hey, this is Coach Jesse. In this drill, we're working on developing the explosive nature of your legs and adding it into that nice smooth stroke that we already worked on. All right, so now we're gonna work on compressing the spring so that we have a nice explosion when we go up for our jump shot. So as soon as I get the ball, I want to bring my elbow into my rib and tap my rib, and at the same time I'm bending at the waist so that the ball is coming down and taps my thigh. I don't want the ball to move separately. I'm not trying to bring the ball to tap my thigh. Elbows touching my ribs, bending at the waist to touch the thigh. Once I tap the thigh, I'm exploding out of this through the balls of my feet. I want to go onto the balls of my feet and coming into my smooth stroke that we've already worked on. So elbow comes in, tap the thigh, explode out, and for a shot with a nice follow through. I'm aiming to hit the ball at the exact same spot on the backboard with each one. Elbow touches, taps the thigh, explode out, hitting the exact same spot. Seeing how many out of 100 can you make. And then we'll switch to the other side and do the exact same thing with the left hand. Left foot comes forward, bringing the elbow in to the ribs, bending at the waist in order to tap the thigh with the ball, and then immediately coming out and exploding through the balls of the feet. Tap, explode. Nice follow through on each one.